Here's how we helped this restaurant reach $94,000 in monthly revenue. I'm gonna share my screen and show you what we did exactly step by step. My name is Ahmad. I'm one of Omni marketing directors. We help restaurants make more money, and in the past months, we generated over $2.4 million for the restaurants that we work with, all from our marketing system. So come with me to the screen. This is a sandwich shop. They reached out to us. They want to increase their monthly revenue. I do not know exactly what their revenue was at, but we added around, I would say like $20,000 in monthly revenue. That's after 4 months or 5 months working with us. Here's what we did. On month 1, we started preparing for one specific date. So we had an offer for that exact date, and we started advertising it around 20 days before that date. What we did is for 10 days or 15 days actually, we prepared the campaigns. We did research. We found a menu item that is very profitable and not that popular. So we run some ads to collect contacts so we can retarget people with messages and emails, as well as retargeting ads on Facebook and Instagram. So that was month 1. We generated around 300 customers. So many people came on that specific day. We collected over 2,000 contacts, and 300 of them showed up. According to the restaurant owner, he said around like 400 or something, like 450 people showed up, but around 300 people were tracked. So we have the data that they actually showed up to the restaurant. And now month 2 to 4, we have a lot of contacts of people that came to store. So we started sending 2 to 3 emails every month, as well as 1 SMS. And then we optimized their Google My Business. We noticed that their Google My Business is not optimized properly, so it's not driving enough traffic for their restaurant. Sometimes when you optimize the Google My Business and SEO stuff, it takes a little bit of time. To be honest with you, SEO is not our main thing, but we optimized the Google My Business as much as we can. We added a lot of different pictures of the food. We optimized the menu, added description. We did a lot of different things to optimize the Google My Business. And after, I would say like after month 4, we started seeing significant increase in their Google My Business listing. So we looked at their analytics. They got more calls and more directions as well. And the third thing we did in the 2 to 4 months period after we did that one big campaign, we ran a catering campaign to attract people that are looking for catering for birthdays, weddings, and special events. And what was interesting is we generated around $850 in the first 9 days. And that's just from the catering campaign. So they got their first catering orders. They got a lot more than that after, but that was the first order, $850. But we did not stop here. And here's what we did in the 4 to 6 months period. So they reached the number that I just told you about, the $94,000 in around like 4 to 5 months. But that's what we did in the 4 to 6 months period. We kept sending the messages and emails that I told you about very regularly, and a lot of people were coming from these messages and emails. And then we ran Google ads to get people to order online. We're getting an average cost per order of around like $5, and their average order value was around, I think, $31.50 or something around that. And we created a birthday offer. So people that were coming in the store, we know their birthday, so we started sending birthday offers. So we have an automation. So every time someone's birthday comes up, we offer them something free, so they would come with their friends. So they would like get a free meal, and their friends, sometimes they would come like 9, 10 people, 3 people, 5 people, whatever it is. So these people would be coming over with them. They would pay for the food, and the birthday person will get a free meal. So it's as simple as that. That's what we did, as well as a few other small things here and there that also helped us reach this level. But in brief, these are the major things that we did. This might work for a restaurant, it might not. That's why we believe that every restaurant needs custom marketing work. So if you need our help with creating custom marketing for you to help you reach the revenue level you want, make sure you book a call with us, and we'll be happy to help. See you on the call.